How would you feel if you had the power inside of yourself to know what to eat, what not to eat, what herbs to take, what medication to take, where to go, where not to go, and what to do, and have the power where it really truly should be, which is inside yourself, instead of outside of yourself looking for information for you in whatever area and aspect of your life you need help with. So, as an example, what protocol to follow if you want to follow a certain protocol to get better, or what herbs to take, or what medication to take, or what foods are working for you or not working for you, or where to go or where not to go. It's pretty fucking amazing. And it is a game changer. So I was teaching a class called Calling Back Your Energy, Calling Back Your Power, which I do actually every other Tuesday. The next one I think is the 28th of February. And it's a free class when we are going to eradicate and uncreate health issues and mental and emotional pain and grief and sadness and anger, and limitations and lack and financial stuff. It is an incredibly powerful class. We'll do an energy pull, call back your energy and your power. But anyway, we were in the class yesterday and a couple people had some health issues that they wanted some help with, and other issues and other things as well. So we're doing healings for them. And then one of the women in the class asked, we started talking about like, what's the right food protocol for her and potentially the right herbs or medication to take for her particular issue. And I just realized, oh my God, she doesn't know. It's like an experiment. I'm going to try this and see if this works for me. I'm going to try that and see if it works for me. You know, I have other clients sometimes too are calling me they're constipated or they're bloated or they don't have energy or whatever's going on. Do you know that you can actually begin to learn to ask what's going on to help yourself, to know what protocol to take, to know what vitamins and minerals to take, what herbs to take or what not to take, how much to take. And that can change on a day-to-day basis. So I've been teaching healing mastery classes since 2011 and taught many people how to actually basically heal pain, mental, physical, spiritual, and emotional, clear their channels, connect with your soul so you can hear your soul, hear your angels, and know what's actually really going on. It is an incredible program, and I'm going to start one again very soon. There's an airplane going by, and I didn't shut my door. So anyway, hopefully you can hear me okay. So then I was realizing that some of these people that are going to be in this class might want to do a pendulum course with me and learn how to use a pendulum, because it's really important to be able to learn how to get the information, have the clarity. We're going to clear everybody's channels so that you can have greater clarity, connect to your soul, connect to your healing team, your angels and your guides and master guides. And you also have to learn how to ask the questions properly. And it's really incredibly important and very, very powerful. So anyway, so I was like, I should open this pendulum training class up to just everyone or anyone who wants to learn how to use a pendulum. So I'm going to start a new class. It's going to start in a couple of days, which is going to teach you what kind of pendulum will work for you, how to properly protect your pendulum, how to make it your pendulum. It'll be a sacred ceremony. How to properly protect yourself in sacred space, how to ask questions so that you get the right answer in order to help yourself and feel truly empowered, being able to ask and know that the power is inside of you and it's not needing to be a guessing game. There's all these books and everybody telling you to do this and do that. I mean, so a couple people in the class said, oh, you should do this and this and this. And I'm like, if I did that, I would literally die. It would rip my stomach apart. And there's so many protocols that are out there that people are telling you to do certain things that are actually causing negative, harmful effects for you and your body. We need to address you holistically, your body type, your constitution, what is going on for you. And let's call back and connect you to your power which is inside yourself. So listen, I use the pendulum in a very amazing way that is not just sitting there, yes and no. I'm going to help you connect to the pendulum and make it your own, like a fine-tuned instrument. And it is going to change your life in such a positive way. So if you're interested in learning the pendulum, I think I'm going to do a quick little kind of taster, a 2-hour class on Saturday, February 15th, I think at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It'll be like 2 hours. I'll teach you how to open sacred space. It'll be incredible. I'll do a beautiful healing for you to help connect you to your light, your power, clear out anger and frustration and sadness and some grief, clear your channels. It'll be an amazing, powerful session. Even if you didn't know how to use the pendulum or care to do that, you could come anyway. It'll be wonderful. So anyway, I'm Johnna, Soul Sessions. Reach out to me. You can message me on Instagram or here, or I don't know, email me. But I would love to connect and love to help you connect to your power, which is inside yourself, where it should be, not outside of you. So let's help create heaven inside of you and on this planet Earth. And remember, you are fucking amazing and beautiful and powerful and loved and lovable. And I would love to meet you.